jumped. Yeah, oh yeah, you still have it. Good. I need the empties. There's the trimaran. Wow. There was left of that. Not too pretty. Beaches though. The house. Float house is still pretty. The dog is still pretty. Faithful dog waiting for us always. Ah, that float's still alright too. The old original one. I think. Not quite, it's been modified. There's the dogs. Welcome home. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey there. So nice. Yep. Let's bring it right in. Hi there. Hey big guy. Hey big guy. Hi little guy. Hey. There we are. So now you get to see what the boat of you look like. Always so excited when you come home. And that's work for tomorrow. They're taking a load in tomorrow at 3 o'clock. So sort these oysters right away, bag them, and ship them to town. It's done a really nice job on the property there. Limbed all the trees, so you get a much nicer view of the beach. And, yeah, and that's going to come down. Still salvage. Those pumps working, and we're closing this chapter off for now.